Today we get to meet Julia from Julia Christine Home on Instagram, so put down those tools, guys. It's time to meet a maker. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Sarah, and today we're gonna meet a maker from Milwaukee who loves sharing her DIY and home improvement projects on Instagram. Julia, thanks for joining me.
Thank you, Sarah, for having me.
Tell us about yourself and your page.
I am Julia Christine Home, and this has been a really fun and creative outlet for me that I started back in April when COVID just hit and was starting up. And I've been doing DIY and a lot of the things that I share for many years. But I now have a platform where I can join this awesome community and share it with other people and learn and grow as I go.
What tool is the most unsung hero of your shop?
I would say that tool for me would be my heart palm sander. So anytime I'm creating a project or creating something, it is probably one of the most crucial points is sanding that piece. It's boring, it's long, but it truly is what takes a build and transforms it into something polished and something beautiful.
All right, tell us about your all-time favorite project.
Boy, it's really hard to just pick one project that I love. They're all special in their own ways, but yes, that bunk bed was one of the more challenging projects for me at the time. One of the bigger furniture builds I've ever done. It's a favorite because it turned out how I was envisioning, and it was something that my boys needed. So it's been really special to walk into that space every time and just to look at something that you crafted with your own hands and to think about the challenges I overcome while I was trying to build that.
Name another maker that you love to follow.
So one of my favorite makers and somebody that I follow, her name is Morgan, and she is also a Heart Tool ambassador. She was one of the first people I met when I joined this community and I joined this platform, and she is quite unique, quite real, and has come alongside me and helped me to grow, helped me to understand how to connect with other people in the community. But she does such a wide variety of projects, yet she's so tangible, creating things that are very useful. So I've really appreciated meeting Morgan, having her friendship, and both of us growing as we're using our heart tools together.
We actually got the opportunity to interview Morgan and feature her in a Meet a Maker a little while back. She is so much fun to watch, and she is so good at encouraging you just to pick up a tool and make something.
Yes, she is. She's probably one of the most down-to-earth, realistic, tangible people I've met, where you don't feel like what she's doing is too far-fetched. You feel like you could also pick up that same tool and do it.
Thank you so much for joining me today, Julia. If you guys are not already following her, I'll link to her Instagram in the description.
Thank you, Sarah. This was so much fun.
I want to thank Heart for sponsoring this episode and reminding us that we can build anything we can imagine if we do it with heart. If you love DIY as much as I do, be sure to subscribe before you go, and don't forget to join us this and every Tuesday for your next episode of Make or Break. I'll see you then.